Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply filters on your search in the Notino app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Notino app. On the bottom, on the menu bar, you have to tap on the second icon. Then you choose a category. For example, day cream for the face. And on the top right corner, you can see this filter icon. If you tap on it, it will open to the filters. Then you can select the price between what price would you like to see products. For example, you can sort the products by price, or new ones, or the best products. You can select the rating, the product's rating. You can select, in this case, at the daily cream, the effect of the daily cream, the brand, if you would like to, and your skin type. And you can search for discounts too. Then you have to tap on this black button on the bottom to use these filters. Then you can see here the product, what the app found for me for these filters. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.